In this video, you are going to learn about the Objects window, how it displays content and different floors inside the region. All the objects in the room floor are referred to as furniture items in the Breakroom platform. The Objects window allows you to select and modify individual items, whether it's a furniture item already in the scene or an item you drop in the scene yourself. Items in the object list are sorted into different floors, based on who added them and when they were added. There are two main floors, the room floor and the region floor. The room floor, labeled floor_room floor, contains any conference system components that you have permission to edit or remove, as well as any other furniture items that you have manually placed in the scene from your own inventory. These could be interactive furniture items like an image viewer or a video player, or decorative furniture items like statues. Furniture items can be added to a scene, moved around and configured. They're also persistent across sessions, so when you log back in tomorrow, they will still be there. The region floor, which in this region is labeled Breakroom Conference, contains the individual 3D assets that make up the background content of the region itself, for example, the ground, trees, walls, etc. The contents of this floor will vary from region to region. When editing regions, you won't often need to make any changes to the region floor, and in most cases will only configure items on the room floor. In the Objects window, you'll notice that the room and region floors have different icons associated with them. Let's go through a quick breakdown of what those icons mean. The eye icon toggles the object's visibility without deleting it. When toggled off, the object will not appear in World, and any scripts it contains will not run. The lock icon toggles the lock status of an item. Locked items cannot be moved within the scene, and no further configuration changes can be made. Objects in the room floor also have a trash icon, which deletes the item entirely from the region. Objects in the region floor, on the other hand, have a reload icon. Clicking this icon reloads an item, which can be used to refresh the object once, so that any changes have been made will be made live. The Objects window also offers a filter and search feature. Use the drop-down menu at the top of the window to filter your objects by type, or use the search field to quickly find a specific object.